Good morning to all. Okay, today we are going to study about adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is also known as suprarenal gland. Why it is known as suprarenal gland? As it is located just above the kidney. You can see this is the adrenal gland, right and the left adrenal gland, locating above the kidney, so known as the suprarenal gland. And the adrenal glands having a weight of about 4 to 5 grams, and it is divided into outer cortex and inner medulla like the kidney. Kidney is also having outer cortex and inner medulla. About the in the case of adrenal gland, about 80 to 90 percentage of outer part, that is the adrenal cortex, and inner part 10 to 20 percentage, that is the adrenal medulla. Okay, here you can see that the adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla, this blue colored area, that is the adrenal medulla, and the outer part, here you can see the adrenal cortex, which is divided into three layers: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and the zona reticularis. Here you can see the three uh, areas of the adrenal cortex: outer zona glomerulosa, middle zona fasciculata, and inner zona reticularis. And in deeper part or the inner part, that is the adrenal medulla, which is secrete the catecholamines or the epinephrine, norepinephrine. These are the hormones released from the adrenal medulla. And the outer cortex, that is divided the zona glomerulosa, that release the mineralocorticosteroid. Mineralocorticosteroid, the name indicates, it is concerned with the mineral metabolism. And here it is written as the near to the zona glomerulosa. Here it is written as the aldosterone. Here you can see the aldosterone. Aldosterone, why it is known as aldosterone? Because major part of the mineralocorticosteroid, that is aldosterone. And the middle part, that is the zona fasciculata, here it secretes the hormone glucocorticosteroid, glucocorticosteroid, and it is here it is written as the cortisol, because major part of the glucocorticosteroid, that is the cortisol, and the inner part, that is the zona reticularis, which secretes the adrenal androgen. All these three hormones, the aldosterone, cortisol, and adrenal androgen, it is the steroid hormones. It contains the cholesterol component. Okay, is it clear? The next, here you can see, next we can study about the aldosterone. Aldosterone, it is the mineralocorticosteroid which is secreted from the zona glomerulosa. It is having a plasma level of this hormone. It's about 50 to 250 microgram per day. And diurnal variation, highest level at the morning, that's the 8 a.m. and lowest at 11 p.m. Then major part of the aldosterone, that is bound to albumin. When we studied the functions of the plasma proteins, we have studied the albumin can transport the substance hormones like that. Here the albumin transport the aldosterone, and the less amount bound to the cortisol binding globulin. Then the half-life of the mineralocorticosteroid and aldosterone, that's about 20 minutes. Metabolism of the aldosterone that takes place in liver. Then next, we can study the actions of the mineralocorticosteroid അല്ലെങ്കിൽ aldosterone.